Hey there, my name is Raymond, the developer of this application, and I will show you how you can use B2B Portal app to create a custom registration form for your B2B customers inside Shopify. How to use it and how to do it. First of all, you need to make sure that the app is installed, and then in the menu you'll find forms. Click on forms and then click on new form. I will start with a B2B sign-up template, which you can pick here, or you can start from scratch. And in this case, I think it is faster and easier to use one of our templates. So I will click on use template. And then it will preload some fields, but we don't need all of them. So I will delete address section. It will also delete all the underlying fields. And we also don't need documents for this use case. And let me check, phone number is not necessary, we can delete that as well. Actually delete the whole company section, and we will add in the VAT number ourselves, so like this. And while we're here, we will also make it, and it will be in the required and a valid VAT ID, otherwise you cannot submit the form. So, and also click here to make it required. And then let's change the title of it. It will be an registration form test with valid VAT validation. Okay, and then save the form. There are a bunch of other options in the sidebar on the right here, but we won't go through them all. We will now copy the form key. This is needed to display the form on the front end, and we will open the theme editor because we want to place the form inside our theme. Here I have already created a page where I want to embed this form. It is this page, and I will just remove this current block and start from scratch, and I will add here a new block, and under apps I will find our app, B2B registration form, and here on the right side under form key I will replace here our default key to our new form key, and just to be sure it is this one here which I copied. And then our form is loaded, you see, and let me change the style to be outlined like this, and we can also change the styling of the form and the form fields, but for now this is okay. And click save, and I will go back here, and I want to use the enhanced display, so check this on and save, because it will give us a bit nicer form. So let's preview the form on the front end view. Here's our VAT number validation field. So if I now try to submit this form, I'll say and I will enter like a dummy field. It is not allowing me, and I enter a dummy VAT number. It's not allowing me to submit the application. If I now enter a valid VAT ID, you see this VAT number is valid and the submit button is enabled, and I can submit the application. And then let's see how our settings are. Under settings we can decide how we want to handle new applications, and it's now set to be always approved. And you can change this to manual review or rule based, and then it will be depending on the rules you set up. For example, to have a valid VAT number, or to approve all applications from a certain country. So in our case, to keep it simple, we will always approve. And then if we submit our form, submit application, it will create in the backend the user, it will do some checks. And then if we go to our app under applications or submissions, we'll see, oh, it is under applications. We'll see here our applications, and here if you open it, You can find it, and here you can see the company it is assigned to and the VAT ID, which you can check on the live site. You can again validate it if you want, and everything is also saved to the customer in Shopify. So if you open the Shopify customer or Shopify customer ID, you will see that the VAT number is saved in the meta field, and also in the block, admin block, which you can add to your customer account, so you can navigate easily back to their B2B portal profile, and they are tagged with custom tags, so everything works as intended. Let's go back to our form. In our form you can do a lot more things. Just let me show you. If you open the form, that was our this was the form. Let me check. Yeah, it was this one. And here you can also use conditional logic to hide or display VAT numbers or fields, all depending on other field-in details. So it's really powerful. I hope this short video gave you a good impression what this app is capable of. This is only the beginning, because there are so many more features and settings inside the app you can use, like net 30, like hiding text or hiding prices, catalog mode, showing price lists in account pages, stuff like that. I won't go into that now. If you have any questions about this part of the app, about workflows, about accounts, about approvals, let me know. And if you have questions about other parts of the app, you can use our website to get in touch with me, and I'm happy to help. Alright, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.